think I failed you?
You failed my garden.
I failed your garden.
Yeah, but I'm your wife.
I'm sorry.
Look out for me. You know, oh my goodness, you just took care of yourself.
They coming with their dad to get some dirt. Say get some dirt.
Get some dirt.
Nigga here say get some dirt.
Get some dirt.
Some dirt. What's going on, guys? So I have an update. I had to come back out here because the weight, before it started actually snowing, there was a lot of rain. So the weight of the rain actually, and I hope this lands. I've been struggling, guys. Bear with me and thank you. I had to come back out here. Actually ended up using the PVC pipe in this area, just wedging it in each corner in the crisscross pattern to get that to stay up because it fell down and the weight of it was trying to smash the plants. And actually put this trellis right here just to create so it can run off. And I had to come back over here and ran some screws in the wood for the plastic. And I'm utilizing this trench so when it melt or whatever, it can drain off. You see it's nasty back here, guys. So yeah, that's what's going on. Just a little update. And the one that I just threw together, since it already have this dome set up for water to run off, I didn't even have to touch this area. It just stayed. So hopefully this stuff will be all right. Excuse me. Hopefully this stuff will be all right. Still collecting some, you know what I'm saying, some super juice. And my wife was like, you didn't even think about my area. She's like, you didn't think about my area. You was thinking about yourself. Maybe this angle's better using this side of the camera so for the lens. But yeah, my wife was like, you didn't even cover my area. You was thinking about yourself. And I was like, I told you, this is your responsibility. Your garden. No, I didn't say that. But yeah, so Mom, she's right. When I was getting this plastic, I totally was not thinking of her area. But in hindsight, I'm like, I'm trying to cover the area that actually has the most food in it and that we can lose the most. So, which was my areas. Like she's harvested, like she keep harvesting off her Brussels sprouts. She's going crazy with the leaves, growing the Brussels sprout leaves and cooking them, and she's still accumulating Brussels sprouts. So I'm pretty sure she's gonna be all right, but I thought that was funny. Comment below, who team you on? Team Nick or Team Dorsha? I need your comments below. Even if you wanna go in your spam account to comment because you don't wanna make nobody mad, do so. So that's it, guys. I just wanna do a quick update of what's growing on. So that's about it. I'm gonna get in here and get these clothes off, get ready for Broke Live. I think it's at 3:05 or something like that. So you got some frozen super juice. And you know what? I'm happy that Aunt Linda brought it to my attention about the things that you would throw in your what is it? Your compost pile that you could throw in the water and make super juice. because believe it or not, I get to utilize the super juice way quicker, the benefits of the super juice way quicker than I am the compost pile. So I'm excited about that, and I've been using it. It's been working great. Some more collection. But that's it, guys. Share some videos, man. Let me see how y'all doing. Did y'all actually get any snow? Or what's going on? And I'm gonna get in this house, get us some dirt, some snow, MIG, grow challenge. You already know how it's going down, so you guys be safe. Dirt.